Hey folks, it's Russ. Today, Sunday, January 22nd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd do another video to show you another resource that I use to get leads into my LiveGood business, okay? This particular platform is called LeadsLeap. It's been around since 2008, and I've been using it for several years. I love it, okay? If you're not familiar with LeadsLeap, then you can see right here, they give you a free lifetime membership, and you can, and this is what you'll get. You get traffic to your websites, list manager, page builder, pop-up creator, link tracker. You can make money 4 different ways, and there's a whole lot more. So I'm just going to log into my back office here and show you how I use it to get leads for LiveGood. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I come over here. All right, there's 2 options. You can have a free membership, which is fine, or you can pay. It's about $20 a month. Sometimes there's discounts, but it's around $20 a month, and you can become a pro member. And as a pro member, you can post these ads right here. Okay, you're allowed to have 10 different ads that run all the time. And so what I do is I have, so this is for LiveGood, this is for LiveGood, this is for LiveGood, this is for LiveGood, this one's for LiveGood. And then I got some older ones down here that I use. But these are my main LiveGood ones right here, right? So I got 2, 4, I got 6 of them running. And you can see here, let's see, the first one I posted right when I started. All right, so I signed up for LiveGood on the 21st. I made this on the 23rd, okay? And you can see here I've had 447 real visitors since that date, just to this one ad here, and 114 visitors in the last 7 days. So when somebody comes and clicks on this ad, it's going to take them over to my LiveGood page, and they can watch the 5-minute, 55-second video, and then they can opt in here and become a pre-enrollee. All right? And this is all these ads go to my same marketing page. All right, but look at this: 93 in the last 7 days, 436 real visitors since the 28th of December, 132 this past week. I mean, I've been getting all kinds of hits here. You know, thousands of them. Just in the last several weeks to a month, okay? So as a free member, you can post ads too, but you got to come in here and you got to click other ads to earn credits. All right, so I just pay the $20 a month, and then I get these run all the time. Another cool thing is they started a PPC co-op, okay? So you can actually, these ads will go into people's PCP widget here and get displayed all over the internet. So it's not just the people that come into LeadsLeap who see these ads. All right, these ads go out everywhere on people's blogs, people's pages. A lot of capture pages have them, and they get advertised all around the internet. So for $20 a month, I think it's well worth it. You can see here that in the past 7 days, to all 10 of my ads that are running, I've gotten 1,112 human people looking at my posts, my ads. All right, and I've had a total of 53,116 since I've been using this. All right, and it's a really good platform. All right, so as a pro member, you know, I have 401 people in my team here, and then you can set up, you know, so people can connect with you on Facebook or whatever platform you want. You can add your sites here. So this is for LiveGood. I have a review here for LiveGood that people see, and I mean, this is just an awesome platform. You can make your own capture pages and everything, but I've just been using the LiveGood page. It's been converting very well for me, so I don't do anything with that. But yeah, I've been using this program for a long time, and I make money with this company every single month. They send me money. I'm sure I probably have some money here I can withdraw right now. All right, so yeah, I have $19.90 that's payable. I have $111 pending. I've earned $691.65 using this platform. And you can see here in another day, I get another $10, and then these are all due, you know, within a few weeks here. So yeah, you can see here, this person right here paid $23 a month, and then sometimes it's $20 a month. So you just got to keep an eye out, and they have sales here once in a while where you can join for $20 a month. But anyway, there's so much more you can do with this platform. I'm not going to go into the whole platform. I actually have a video on LeadsLeap that I've done last year, the year before, and shows you all the functions and different things that you can do. But yeah, it's just an amazing tool. And in my opinion, all right, just by paying the it's worth paying the $20 a month and having all of those ads run all the time. Okay? I mean, people put them all over their websites. They have the traffic co-op now. And yeah, so anyway, I have really good luck with this. And what you can do now, okay, is you can go into your back office. I'm just going to take you over here to my LiveGood back office. And you can go down to statistics. All right, and you can see these are the website hits I'm getting every day. These are the pre-enrollees that I get. So I'm averaging a few pre-enrollees every day. And then over here are the upgrades. All right. And you can see, I mean, I'm getting, there's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I've had 9 new signups this month. But you can click on source statistics. And you can actually add a source code here. All right, so you would take your, like livegoodtour.com / your username, and then add source, and you could put LeadsLeap in there and track to see if you're getting leads from LeadsLeap. But I really highly recommend LeadsLeap. I've been using it a long time. I've had great luck with it. Kenneth, the owner, is an awesome guy. He's always doing updates and adding new things to it. And in my opinion, it's worth the $20 a month. If you refer people, you can earn 50% as a pro member, and I think you earn 25% as a free member. So it's definitely worth it. I will put my affiliate link down below in the description box if you want to sign up for it. That is my link, and I will earn a commission from you. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out. All right. So while I'm in the back office of LiveGood, I'm just going to show you my team. And I just like to keep everybody updated to show you how quickly our team's growing. All right, so you can see now I have 15 personal enrolled customers and affiliates. 9 of them are new this month. But if I go and click all and change the view, this month alone, we have 218 new members on our team. All right, just this month. So we're well over 250 total now since I joined on December 21st. And what I'm doing is people that use the link down in the description box, you're going to get put onto our team rotator, and then I'm going to drive traffic there just to help you jumpstart your business. It's nothing to rely on. It's nothing to, it shouldn't keep you from promoting this yourself, but it's just an extra way to, to get some eyeballs on your landing page, and who knows, you might have a conversion. So I'm just doing that to help the team, and you'll stay on the team rotator until you rank up to bronze. Once you become a bronze, I take everybody off. All right? So if you have any questions about LiveGood or LeadsLeap, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in looking at LiveGood, taking a look at the business opportunity of it, click the link in the description. You can take our free tour. It brings you over to this page right here, all right, where you can watch this short video and then reserve your position in the matrix. So anyway, I hope that helps. I highly recommend LeadsLeap. It's an awesome program, and you will get real people to your pages, okay? They're not bots or anything like that. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you find value in it. If you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Oh yeah, I'm drinking my LiveGood organic coffee today. Right now as I film this. It's awesome. Have a great day.